family, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be deep cleaning and decorating Nadia's bedroom for Christmas. So we waited till last minute because Nadia's bedroom was already decorated for Christmas. Her tree was one of the first trees we put up because she was not having it. As soon as she realized that it was Christmas time, she wanted her tree up. So it's been up for a while. All right, family, so let's get into the video. Nadia's bedroom has been super explosive. I don't know what happened in here, but it happened. Her bedroom looks like who did it and why. So today's the day we're going to finally clean it up, at least before Christmas gets here. So we waited last minute to do this because I had my hands full with the other rooms in the home. So yeah, I didn't have time for this girl and her 10,000 toys in her room. So anyway, we are putting fresh bedding on her bed. I have been teaching Nadia how to make her bed, so she kind of knows how to do it. She just needs the clean beddings and she'll do it herself. And I'm teaching her a few things. When she comes home from school, I tell her to go up, change her school clothes and put on some like PJs or home clothes and things of that nature. So she's learning a little bit. So see how she's like helping me push it down, push the what's it called down. She even has this thing on her toy phone. It tells you, it's a phone from TikTok shop. It's really good. It teaches them a lot and it tells you how to do everything. So if you want to make a bed, you can just, almost like Siri, you can just say how to make a bed and it tells you step by step. So she's been doing that too. So anyway, putting her wall art back up here. I don't know how it came off or why it came off, but yeah, it's been off for a while. So we're putting it back. I like to keep Nadia's room very not so overly decorated. It just looks messy right now because she has a lot of stuff going on. But she does have a playroom and her closet is where she stores a lot of her, what's it called? Her toys. Anyway, I can't get my words together. But anyway, just putting the pillowcases on. I am talking to a friend on the phone, so you'll see me talk and laugh and we are chit-chatting about any and everything right now, and it's a good time. So that's what's going on. And Nadia, as usual, she's over there just being super energetic and doing her thing. If Nadia's not doing that, I just know something's going on with her. Like if I see her sit quietly for more than 5 minutes, literally more than 5 minutes, I know something is going on. All right, so as far as Nadia's bed, I like to layer it just like I do with my own bed. It just gives it that cute layery look. Again, it's just for decor purpose. It just looks cute. And Nadia is such a princess. She likes her room looking like a princess room. She knows all of the pieces that go on her bed. And if her bed, when she makes her bed, she does it the same way. It's just not as neat and, perfect. But she knows all the pieces that goes on her bed. So if I make her bed and don't put those pieces there, she can tell that something's missing. So she'll come and put them there. So anyway, going for the layered look here. This is her pink blanket. This is her nap blanket. I like to call it her nap blanket. She loves that little thing. She says it's so soft, super soft. So we just put it at the foot of the bed. Sometimes I'll do, just weird designs with it. And she loves that. Moving on to her side tables here, she has these two cute little lamps. I forget where I got these from, but they're super cute. They look better at night, but during the daytime, it gives that yellowy look that you see there. I don't really like it, but at night, it looks so much better. So yeah, putting up all of her other stuff and just trying to organize the rest of her beddings. She has a few beddings for when we need to change it up. All right, so this is where the explosion really happened. So when we first put up the tree, it was fully decorated, but throughout the month, it's been played with and touched and pushed and just abused a little bit. So some of the ornaments are missing. So I did stop by the Dollar Tree and get a few more ornaments to put back on her tree to make it look a little better. So yeah, this corner, this is where her trash can also sits. So it's been sitting behind the Christmas tree, and when I tell you, she's just been putting any and everything in there. So we're gonna go ahead and redecorate the Christmas tree. I mean, we only have a night before Christmas. Christmas is tomorrow. But we do keep our Christmas decor up for most of January, if not all the way into February. So especially this year, I did my decor a little late. So we're definitely keeping it on for a little bit longer than we usually do. So yeah, just fluffing the tree a little bit, and then we're gonna add these two brand new ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree. These ones are pink, and we're just gonna add them on, like I said, to make the tree look a little better. I love the star on top of Nadia's tree. It's super cute and it's gold. I actually got that star from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not. I got it last year and it held up all year, and then we're using it again this year. It's a pretty good quality. So anyway, moving on to the rest of the stuff here. At first I decided to add these bows to the tree, but I'm gonna take them off later and do something else with them, and you'll see that a little later. So let's go ahead and clean this, I don't know, explosion on the floors here. It's a lot. It's blocks and toys and colors and just all kinds of things going on. Once Nadia saw that I was getting really, really serious about this cleaning thing, she was like, I'm out of here. So she went downstairs for a little bit, and then she came back to continue to help. So you'll see her go in and out. But I'm going to take everything off her table here, organize it, clean the table, and then return everything, and we'll move on to the next side. Biggest, I guess, thing that annoys me is the cord on the TV there. I used to have a TV guy who would put the TV up and there's no cords whatsoever, but I don't have that guy anymore, I guess. And now my new TV guy doesn't know how to hide the cord, and I hate it. I hate it when the cord can show like that. I don't like it at all. So anyway, I just wanted to put that out there. But anyway, putting this big bowl in front of Nadia's closet door, and then tweaking a few things here, putting a lot more of her toys away. This side of the room, her vanity, this is one of her favorite sides because she can sit here, look at herself in the mirror. She can also do her fake makeup, but she can also study on here. She can do her homework and things on here. So that's one of her favorite side. There is a white rug underneath it. She has used this area so much that the rug needs help. Like, it has all kinds of stains on it. So today I'm going to be taking it out, and I'm just going to throw it in the washer to wash it, to get all of those things off of it. But the rug is really, really comfortable and is really soft, and she likes to rub her feet on it when she's sitting here. But yeah, it needed to be washed. So taking it to the washer. Okay, so we're down to the floors. We're almost done. Again, the explosion, a lot of it down here. So I'm just picking, putting her toys away and putting the trash in the trash bags, and taking out the things that I still need. And that big ribbon, I think it broke. One of the things fell off, so it doesn't hold up anymore, so I decided to just throw it away. But picking up all the trash and getting it ready to be vacuumed. Alright, so the floors are clean. Let's go ahead and clean her full body mirror. The mirror is lower to the, I guess, ground, because this is the only way she can see her full body. If it was up higher, it would be too tall for her, so she can see herself from sitting on the bed or just standing directly in front of it. So yeah, we're cleaning that off, and I'm gonna put the bowls on her mirrors there, and you'll see that in a second. But again, tweaking the bed a little bit more. It keeps coming out, but I want to tuck it in, but it doesn't want to stay tucked in, so that's annoying. So you'll see me playing with it, going back and forth and making sure that it stays. So cleaning her other mirror here, again, her favorite spot, fingerprints, handprint, whatever print, always on that mirror, always, always, always. So a lot of wiping needs to be done. So I just put the little Christmas light up on her bed there. It's super simple, but super cute as well. Again, this room looks so cute at night when there's not as much of the light reflecting from outside and it's just dark. And then the inside light reflects better. I don't know if that makes sense, but her room looks better at night, so much better. It looks like a real pink princess dream room. So I did put the red bow on her mirror there, and let's go ahead and put her candle on. I never ever leave this candle on in Nadia's room ever, but I am cleaning and I wanted her room to smell amazing, so I did go ahead and put her candle on. When I leave the room, the candle goes right off, and she doesn't know how to use a lighter, and she's not allowed to. But anyway, come on in and see the finished product. She's back and she's excited. Her room is finally clean. She can finally walk around freely without tripping over her 10,000 toys. But again, her favorite spot, because she can see herself in the mirror. She can actually see herself in the mirror now. It's not so spotty anymore. Her cute little Christmas tree. Again, her tree has been up for a while. We just had to refresh it today. Her tree was one of the first tree, if not the first trees that we put up. And she helped me put it up. We actually got this tree last year, and she was amazed that it had its own light. She loved it. And the light pattern can change. You can put only pink, or you can put the blinking lights as you see there, or you can put different colors. So it has, I think, 3 or 4 different settings, and she loves it. But yeah, this is Nadia's room. It's simple, clean, and usually it looks like this with not a lot of clutter everywhere. This is how it should look, but only Lord knows how many times of the year it looks like this. But we're happy that we're going into Christmas with a clean room. Look at her checking herself out. She's like, yeah. But yeah, family, that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you enjoyed the deep clean and decorating for Christmas series, please let me know down below. And let me know if you want me to do a home renovation / home DECOR series for next year. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm thinking about doing a video compilation of all of the cleaning and decorating videos and posting it either on Christmas Day tomorrow or another day. I don't know, but let me know. A lot of you have seen some of the videos, but not all of them. So let me know if you would like one long video with all of the cleaning and decorating videos that I've done throughout, Vlogmas. All right, family. That is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Stay safe, stay blessed with you and all your family. Merry Christmas from me, your little niece, and the rest of the family. We love you guys, and we'll see you all on the other side. Bye.